It was terrible because I even go out there and swear at it. I said, Helena, why are you leaving us without houses, without roofs on top of our heads? I sit there, I said, hey guys, out there it's very bad, something bad is coming. Then after 2 minutes just to say something bad is coming, there was a sound like an aeroplane. Voo, 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 voo. That's why I said to them, there it comes. Definitely the ceiling collapsed, the roof. It's bad. I can't even eat. I can't even swallow food. I'm thinking of my house, my children. Where are we going to sleep today?
Very scared and because my brother started screaming, calling my mother. It was just hectic.
It's unexpected. I get so I